Every single book which have toppers suggested, but nothing worked for me.
I was like कि नहीं होगा छोड़ देते हैं, नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या फ़ायदा इनको दोबारा पढ़ने से.
I would like to thank Study IQ. I got connected to Study IQ.
स्टडी IQ ने मेरा मेंस तक मैंने साथ दिया, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने मेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ा.
And I have taken this mock at Study IQ.
And I would recommend Study IQ.
Yes, I will definitely recommend Study IQ.
A very good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Study IQ IS platform, and I am here with a very good news for all the aspirants out there who are willing to take agriculture optional in their UPSC journey. So this is the first time ever that Study IQ IS has bring a specialized course particularly for the agriculture optional subject. So the wait is over and we are starting our batch soon, which is your 20th June 2025. And if you want to purchase this course, just use my code, that is MYLIVE, to get the maximum discount on this particular course. So let me first introduce myself with you. After that, I'll tell you the features of the course. Myself, Monica, and I did my graduation in plant biotechnology. Then I did my masters in your food science and technology from Haryana Agriculture University, which is the Asia's largest agriculture university and always in top 10 in ICR ranking. So I did my graduation and my masters from there. After that I qualified my NET, ARSB NET जो था वो मैंने qualify किया in 2017. After that I prepared for your UPSC and gave your mains with agriculture optional and scored very good marks, like every time about 280. Okay, and after that I am in teaching profession. I have taught in your HAU University में मैंने पढ़ाया है. After that in various institutes I have taught agriculture, and now I am here to help you with your agriculture optional journey for your 2026. So our batch is starting from 20th June 2025. हमारा जो batch है वो अभी स्टार्ट हो रहा है 20 जून से. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट आवर कोर्स एट द डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस, यू आर हैविंग ओनली 4 days, like till 15th you can purchase our course. By using my code MYLIVE, you will get the maximum of the maximum discount by using this particular course. So let me just tell you about the features of our course, that why you should choose our course, why our course is the best in the market. So in our course, we are going to provide you 400 hours of live lecture, which will spread over 6 months. हमारे कोर्स में आपको particularly 400 hours के live lectures मिलेंगे, which will be in which we are covering your complete syllabus till 6 months. Like our batch are starting from your 20th June से हमारे batch start हो रहे हैं. You can visit our app or you can visit our website, in which you can download our brochure, where we have given the complete timetable how we are going to start our course, like from 20th of June किस time period में हम कौन सी unit complete करेंगे. So the complete timeline, if I told you that we are going to complete our course from 20th June to 30th of November. हम इतने टाइम पीरियड में हमारा एग्रीकल्चर का कंप्लीट कोर्स कवर कर लेंगे, अलॉन्ग विद योर, लाइक यू विल बी प्रोवाइडेड विद योर रेगुलर मेंटोरशिप सेशन, 1-to-1 सेशन एंड ग्रुप सेशंस विल ऑल्सो बी देयर. एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स you will be getting PDF notes for each and every topic, and these PDF notes will be completely colorful. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको बहुत बोरिंग लगेगा पढ़ने में, ठीक है. ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर विद पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम होंगे, आपके फ्लो चार्ट्स होंगे, एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर विच विल हेल्प यू टू स्कोर द हाईएस्ट मार्क इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शनल कोर्स. देन एंड दीज PDFs आर एज पर योर सिलेबस. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सिलेबस से बाहर कुछ है या बहुत ज़्यादा आपको दिया हुआ है किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में. द थिंग विच इज़ रिलेवेंट ओनली दैट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, ताकि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ना पढ़ने, बहुत कम या बहुत ज़्यादा ना पढ़ना पड़े. जितना रिलेवेंट है यू विल रीड ओनली दैट एंड रिवाइज इट मल्टीपल टाइम. यू विल नॉट एंड अप विद द बल्कि नोट्स की हमारा तो रिविजन ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. द नोट्स विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग विद एवरीथिंग प्रोवाइडेड देयर. इमेज, कलरफुल इमेजेस विल be there, diagrams will be there, flow charts will be there, and along with the live lecture you are be provided with the recorded lectures. आपके पास recorded lecture भी होंगे, and the lectures will be bilingual, English और हिंदी आपके lectures दोनों में होंगे, but the PDFs will only be available in the English. Then doubt sessions will also be there, weekly doubt session, and the doubt session will be on demand as well. Okay, if you need that anytime, there will be doubt session as well. And when we are covering your topic, like we are doing your ecology, we are doing your agronomy, so each and every topic will be curated with the PYQs. सभी के सभी topics के हम segregated PYQs cover करेंगे, for the past 10 years के हम cover करेंगे, and holistic coverage of the PYQs will be there, because as you all know that agriculture is a static subject, and every year if you will see the PYQs and syllabus का ही एक point उठा करके they will make the frame the question from that. So you will be provided with PYQs of last 10 year. तो आपको PYQs के लिए separately खुद से मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, या कहीं और से लेकर के segregate नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You will be given with each and every topic, like ecology notes are there. After that you will be having your PYQs there. Then if needed in any of the topic, like your agronomy is your irrigation schemes हो गया, extension हो गया, so if in any topic if current affairs are needed, then your notes will be fortified with that current affair. And the most and important point I want to tell you that we will be giving you the 15 sectional test and 4 full length test. Like if you will divide the syllabus of your agriculture, you will find there are 15 themes: ecology, your agronomy, soil science, after that soil water management is there, then your genetics, cell biology. So if you will segregate that, you will find out that there are 15 themes from that topic, from the syllabus. Themes कह लीजिए या units कह लीजिए. So for each and every unit you will be provided with 15 sectional test and 4 full length test you will be given. And this is why our course is special among other courses. You must subscribe for our course, and to purchase our course you can use my code, that is MYLIVE, to get the maximum discount again. और ये कोड आप 15th जून तक यूज कर सकते हैं. Like we are running our great learning festival, आप ये कोड यूज कीजिए, maximum discount पाइए, and I am there to help you with your agriculture optional journey. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Every single book which have toppers suggested, but nothing worked for me.
I was like कि नहीं होगा छोड़ देते हैं, नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या फ़ायदा इनको दोबारा पढ़ने से.
I would like to thank Study IQ. I got connected to Study IQ.
स्टडी IQ ने मेरा मेंस तक मैंने साथ दिया, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने मेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ा.
And I have taken this mock at Study IQ.
And I would recommend Study IQ.
Yes, I will definitely recommend Study IQ.